everyone. My name is P. Subbalakshmi. I am studying third standard. I am tell about Supramani Bharati. I am Supramani Bharati. I am a poet and the freedom fighter of Tamil Nadu. I was born in a village called Yetiyapuram in Tirunelveli district. I started writing poems at the age of 7. I worked as a teacher, then became the assistant editor of the Sudatramitran newspaper in 1904. I also met Mahatma Gandhi in 1990. I worked with many Tamil leaders like V.O. Chidambaram and Subramanieshwar. My poems Vande Mataram, Assembly, Endayum